Welcome back to the channel. Today's hack deals with intermittent torch cutoffs. My IHC torch would suddenly start making a very bad cut after making a very good cut, rapidly leading to merely a surface mark, quickly followed by torch cutoff. The torch height was steadily increasing until cut off. This problem was occurring very intermittently. It would cut great and suddenly have these torch cutoffs. I had no idea what was wrong. Then one day I was manually positioning the torch and noticed that the torch would suddenly jump about an inch, sometimes up, sometimes down. I had no idea what was going on. I thought maybe it was a torch glitch, torch control glitch. It wasn't. The IHC was not even turned on. One might think the IHC worm drive was bidirectionally constrained, just like the X and Y drives, but you would be wrong. The IHC torch holder actually floats on top of the Z drive worm mechanism. So let's take a look at this float. Okay, we're back out here in the garage, and we're looking at the torch holder assembly, the IHC. You can see I'm just going to lift up on the torch holder, and you can see it's got, I'd said an inch before, but it's actually only got about, I'd say, 1/4 to 3/8 inch float. And that was what was causing the problem. As this had a high tension in it, it was actually just lifting it up. It didn't take that much to do it. And we just slowly lift it up, and then we'd wind up with a torch cutoff. As you can see, the torch has about an inch of headspace in which it can float. So the next question is, what would cause the torch holder to float up? The answer is any upward force that exceeds the weight of the torch holder assembly's weight. Duh! I eventually realized that this problem was only occurring near the corners of the table. The problem was that there was not enough slack in the plasma torch line between the top of the overhead support arm and the IHC. As the torch line became taut, the increased tension lifted the torch holder. I increased the length by about 18 inches, and I no longer experience any torch cutoffs. Here's what my torch line looks now with the increased slack. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.